Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Just starting my day in my studio for my experimental horror film. So I'm shooting my experimental horror film with my two favorite cameras, Single-8 Fujiga Z800 and the Fujiga Single-8 ZC1000. Although this one is showing some issues that I have to correct. And yes, painting is paramount to my film and future films, and having to keep fresh canvases ready. So here I'm having to make adjustments for the shutter and other things, and the camera will have to be dismantled because there's so many issues that are popping up. It's probably relating to the same issue, but it's one of my favorite cameras to film with, especially for my experimental horror films. So for those of you who don't know, this is Single-8. It's a different format than Super 8. Alright? So here, there's no pressure plate. It's made into the camera and it's metal here. In a Super 8 camera, the pressure plate is just beyond the film here. So many of us believe that the Single-8 here is superior to the Super 8. At any rate, everyone has their own choice. Make my films, paintings, and then I film the paintings. So what I have to do here is, when I'm adjusting everything before I film my paintings and other objects for my experimental horror film and films, I have to make my adjustments here and then use the color boards to test if everything, the exposure is coming out properly or not, which right now it's not, which means more work and dismantling for me. It's a real headache. Another big thing is, here in the Philippines, at the time of the recording of this video, it's rainy season, and as you can probably hear, the rain just started. It couldn't be more perfect for this setting right now, and it just really sets you back. Using paintings in my experimental horror films not only adds to the surrealism of my films, I find it shows, of course, gore, surrealism, personality, and telling a story. And it also saves money on the production. But you can't pass up a beautiful painting. And in my personal choice, an eerie, gruesome, or surreal painting. That is what makes it. Adding film to that 8mm really makes a crucial difference. So, beginner filmmakers, and especially beginner painters who are using film and paint, or you're just painting at any rate individually, okay? You're just only painting. Of course, you're going to have a water bottle to spray down on your canvas to moisten it, okay? That's always a good thing. But if you're going to be out in the field, okay, you want to transport a little bit of water, pick up these little bags. It's a bottle, okay? Lid comes off, and you can pour water down inside of here, and it fills up this little bag, okay? Just like that. And it's really good just to transport water with. You can find it in the camping section. And there's a spout. Alright? Just a small little tip. Another tip for you beginner painters. What you can do in the old days, we had to make our own canvases. They were also called stretching strips. You'd take your wood, generally cherry, this light, okay? Craft it, make a frame. All right. And it would look like this on the back. Okay? You would stretch your canvas all the way around it and either do nails or staples. Today, generally for a good price, cheap, you can get these. Like I tend to purchase them just like this. Let me show you. And pull this out. See on the back end here, where my thumb is. You can get them pre-made, and it saves a lot of time. If you're busy like myself with other things, okay, you can get them like this. And it helps out a lot. And that's how I do it. Painting and film. It gives that horrific, surrealistic edge to my films. That is the way I enjoy it, and that is the feeling it goes through me to my paintings and that of my filming. Not digital, but these cameras are film. And yes, vintage movie cameras, you can still get film for them. And Super 8, 8mm and 16mm, readily available from Kodak and other manufacturers throughout the world, mind you. Okay? And those are some good tips to use for painting as well. I enjoy it. It works for me. Hopefully it'll work for you. And for more videos like these, do subscribe. Until next time, later.